A long weekend road trip continues from Seattle, Washington to the central of Oregon, with coming across a major transition in climate from cold, snowy winters to dry winters and rocky climate. Surprisingly, the best winter transition you could ask for. Join us at Bend, Oregon, home of Smith Rock State Park, to the majestic landscape of Painted Hills. The park has 12 official trails to hike, and this is what the place is known for: some of the best rock climbing in the world. Hey guys, it's another day and a very good morning from Oregon. I'm here at Smith Rock State Park. From dawn to dusk, we're gonna explore this wonderful landscape. So you guys stay around. Starting with miles of hiking trails, mostly easy to moderate one. We are at the Ream Rock Trail, a good option for those who need a more accessible trail, offering a great views from the top of the park. And this park already feels so welcoming, especially for all age groups. You can hike from moderate to extreme hiking trails, with making our way to River Trail. Basically, as you can already see, the hike to get down to the river is a bit steep, but the trail is well maintained for those who have limited mobility. An impressive park where you will probably see some rock climbers. Hiking Ream and River Trail in this beautiful park, offering nice view for hikers and non-hikers alike. The trail is wide, offers easy access to the river. You could spend hours exploring all the twists and turns. Taking the trail right from there, we are heading down towards the river, where it has picnic area before crossing the bridge at the base of the canyon. Sticking by to the river trail as we have our 2 years old with us. Like really, you can see the contrast of colors and weathers. I'll make a move along Misery Ridge Trail to get the overview from the top of the cliffs. No doubt, the rocks and cliffs are breathtaking, but the climbers were beyond amazing to watch. Lots of long walk. And if you are a climber, so much rock walls to climb. The park truly has spectacular view, offering the orange rocks, white grass, brown color rivers, adding a tint of green trees. These rocks are geological formation that seems to pop up from nowhere. If you're nearby, it's truly worth the visit. With the sunset, we headed back and refreshed for another day at Painted Hills. One of the wonders of Oregon, and in middle of nowhere. We are here at this beautiful landscape known as the Painted Hills. The hills are naturally painted by the strips that are formed from leaf and animal fossils from around 27 million to 30 million years ago. Like Smith Rock State Park, Painted Hills too is a geological site, and coming from Pacific Northwest of America, you will find this stepping into another landscape. Look at those hills, it truly looks like a painting. Reaching to the Painted Hills, you can see millions of years of history revealed in the layers of mountains of earth. Definitely, you feel a bit like you have stepped onto another planet, though you are actually taking a peek into our own earth history. This place will imprint on your memory like few others. With that, here comes to an end to our wonderful trip to Oregon. If you like watching the content, hit the like button and please do subscribe my channel. I'll see you next week. Goodbye.